As experts in renewable energy, you can trust Smart Commercial Solar to design, install and manage the best EV charging solution for your needs. We've integrated EV chargers into commercial solar and storage projects since 2022, and now we're excited to introduce a standalone charging solution for businesses.
The reason why that we decided to go with Smart Commercial Solar for the EV chargers as well was that the solar project was underway. It was on time, it was on budget, there were no safety issues, so we had a lot of confidence with Smart Commercial Solar. So realistically for us it was, well, if we wanted to install the EV chargers, where else would we go?